How to transfer ownership, a step-by-step guide to DMV registration. To transfer a title, you will always need either the California Certificate of Title or an application for replacement or transfer of title, Registration Form 227, if the title is missing. The signature or signatures of seller or sellers and lien holder, if any. The signature or signatures of buyer or buyers. And a transfer fee. Registration Form 227 or application for transfer of title is a legal form in the state of California by the Department of Motor Vehicle, DMV, that serves two purposes. Residents of California can use it to request a duplicate vehicle title if the original has been lost, stolen or damaged beyond repair, or to transfer vehicle ownership when the title is not available. How to fill up transfer of title. On the first page, begin by filling out these fields on the topmost section. Start by marking the box corresponding to the purpose of your application. Afterwards, provide the following ID applicable: license plate or vehicle CF number, vehicle or hull identification number, year or make of vehicle or vessel builder. For the first section, please provide the following details of the registered owner or owners of record. Indicate the true full name or business name of the registered owner, along with the driver's license and the state where it was issued. Provide the same set of details for the co-owner, if applicable. Next, indicate the physical residence or business address, then provide the county of residence or county where the vehicle or vessel is garaged, and provide the mailing address, if different from the indicated address above. For the second section, please take note that this is specifically reserved for titles which have a lien holder. Do not enter the names of the owner or owners from the first section. To begin, please provide the following details for the legal owner of record. Indicate the full legal name and business or residential address of the lien holder or title holder. For the third section, please mark the box that corresponds to the reason as why you're requesting a duplicate title. Afterwards, indicate their full legal name and signature of the lien holder or title holder. Then, enter the date when this was signed along with a daytime telephone number. If you have selected duplicate title in the beginning, you may stop at this point. But if you have selected transfer of title with duplicate, section 4 onwards must be completed. For the fourth section, indicate the full legal name and signature of the owner. Then add the date when it was signed, along with a telephone number. Additional owners may indicate the same set of information on the space provided below. Please take note that by signing this section, the owner releases interest in the described vehicle or vessel. For a vehicle or vessel that has multiple owners, each owner is required to sign. For a vehicle or vessel that is owned by a company or business, please proceed to the fifth section. Here the name of the company or business and an authorized representative's countersignature are required. Indicate the printed name of the authorized agent, title, and daytime telephone number. This is to be followed by the signature of the legal owner, the authorized agent's countersignature, and the date that it was signed. Please take note that this must be notarized. Before proceeding to the next section, please don't forget to fill out these fields on top of the second page if applicable. For the sixth section, please indicate the following information. Date when the vehicle was purchased or acquired, its purchased price, if received as gift or trade. Kindly indicate the market value, true full name of the new owner, along with the driver's license number, and the state where it was issued. Please provide the same set amount of information if there are other owners. Next, provide the physical or business address, followed by the county of residence, or the county where the vehicle or vessel is principally garaged. Also provide an equipment number if there are any. Then, please indicate a mailing address, lessee address, or the location where the vessel or trailer coach is principally kept at, if different from the one indicated above. Afterwards, all owners must sign on the spaces provided, then, enter the date when this was signed, and provide a daytime telephone number. For the seventh section, it may be left blank if it is not applicable to your situation. If it is, please provide the following information. Indicate the full legal name of the new lien holder or title holder. Do not re-enter the name of the new owner above. This is to be followed by the electronic lien holder number and the physical residence or business address. If different from the address indicated above, please provide the mailing address. For the eighth and final section, this to be filled out by the dealer, if applicable. The following information is required. Enter the name of the dealership, followed by the name of the buyer, the date sold, the RS number, signature, and printed name of the dealer agent, dealer number, and salesperson number. If another dealer is also involved in this transaction, kindly provide the same set of details in the space below. Review and double-check if all entered information are correct and accurate. Once finished, click on the Done button to save, download, and print your registration Form 227. For more information, visit www.mhzautotracy.com. Like, comment, and subscribe.